Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. In the ever-evolving landscape of electronics manufacturing and repair, precision and reliability are paramount. When it comes to reworking ball grid array, BGA components, professionals and enthusiasts alike seek cutting-edge solutions to ensure seamless repairs and upgrades. A BGA Rework Station is a crucial tool in this pursuit, offering the capability to remove and replace these intricate components with precision and efficiency. To help you navigate the plethora of options available in the market, we've curated a list of the top 5 best BGA rework stations. These stations have been selected based on their performance, versatility, user-friendly features, and overall value, providing a comprehensive guide for those seeking the pinnacle of BGA rework technology. Whether you're a seasoned technician or a D enthusiast, our list is designed to assist you in making an informed decision for your BGA rework needs. Number 5. LI M770 Upgraded IR Infrared BGA Rework Station. The Rework Station's infrared technology delivers precise and consistent heating, making it ideal for reworking ball grid array BGA components. The upgraded model, LI M770, ensures uniform heat distribution across the target area, reducing the risk of damage to sensitive electronic components. The adjustable temperature control and digital display provide the flexibility needed for a variety of soldering and desoldering tasks. The user-friendly interface and ergonomic design make the LI M770 easy to operate. The intuitive controls, including temperature and time settings, allow users to customize their rework process according to the specific requirements of each project. The comprehensive user manual provides clear instructions, making it accessible even for those new to BGA rework. The rework station's construction is solid, and it feels durable. The infrared heating element is well protected, and the overall design contributes to efficient heat dissipation. However, I would appreciate more robustness in certain components, such as the control knobs, to enhance long-term durability. Number 4. LI IR8500 BGA Rework Station. The LI IR8500 is solidly built with a sturdy frame that instills confidence in its durability. The dimensions of L780mm x W450mm x H260mm provide a compact footprint, making it suitable for various workspaces. The total weight of 21 kilograms ensures stability during operation, preventing any unwanted vibrations. Equipped with 2 heating zones, this rework station offers exceptional flexibility. The upper heating zone, with dimensions of 80mm x 80mm and a consumption of 450 W, is perfect for precise and localized heating. Meanwhile, the larger bottom heating zone, measuring 400mm x 200mm and consuming 1600 W, allows for efficient heating of larger components. With a total power rating of 2050 W, the LI IR8500 delivers ample energy for quick and efficient BGA rework. The 220 VAC power supply ensures compatibility with standard electrical outlets. The general power distribution allows for a balanced and controlled heating process, contributing to overall energy efficiency. Number 3. Digisix T-862 BGA Rework Station. The T-862 boasts an impressive output temperature of 350 degrees Celsius, providing the necessary heat for efficient BGA rework. The temperature stability is commendable, ensuring consistent and accurate results during delicate soldering tasks. I've found it to be particularly effective for a wide range of applications, from small circuit board repairs to more intricate BGA rework projects. With an output power of 000 W, I assume this is a typo and should be filled in with the actual wattage. The T-870 delivers ample power to handle various soldering tasks with ease. The ability to adjust the temperature settings allows for versatility, catering to different soldering requirements. The compact dimensions of 43x42x26 cm make the T-870 a space-efficient solution for any workstation. The user-friendly design and customizable features enhance its usability, making it suitable for both professionals and hobbyists alike. The input voltage of AC 220 to 230 V ensures compatibility with standard power supplies. Number 2. Digisix T-862 BGA Rework Station. The compact and well-thought-out design of the T-862 is a standout feature. With dimensions measuring 410 x 316mm, it doesn't take up excessive space on my workbench. The layout is intuitive, making it easy to navigate and operate the various functions. The T-862 operates on a versatile input voltage range of 10 V 220 to 230 V, providing flexibility for different power sources. With an impressive output power of 1600 W, it has the capacity to handle a wide range of soldering tasks, from delicate components to larger, more demanding applications. One of the key highlights of the T-862 is its precise temperature control. With an output temperature range of 100 to 350 degrees Celsius and excellent temperature stability, it ensures accurate and consistent results. This level of control is crucial for delicate BGA rework, and the T-862 delivers admirably in this aspect. Number 1. digisix 1000A BGA Rework Station. The build quality of the digisix 1000A is impressive. The BGA Rework Station feels robust and well-built, instilling confidence in its durability. The components are securely housed, and the overall design reflects attention to detail. Setting up and using the digisix 1000A is a breeze. The intuitive interface and user-friendly controls make it suitable for both beginners and experienced technicians. The comprehensive user manual provided with the product further enhances the ease of use. One of the standout features of the digisix 1000A is its versatility. It supports a wide range of BGA sizes and types, making it suitable for various applications. Whether you're working with small, intricate circuits or larger BGA components, this rework station has you covered. The digisix 1000A delivers precise and accurate results. The temperature control is stable, ensuring that delicate components are not damaged during the rework process. Thanks for watching this video.